Welcome back to AutoCar, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews, and first looks at the most exciting cars in the world. If you love staying ahead of the curve with every new model and automotive innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving deep into the brand new 2025 MG HS, the next generation SUV that's taking a bold leap forward in design, technology, and performance. The MG HS has always been one of the brand's most popular models, combining style, practicality, and value. But the 2025 generation takes things to a whole new level. Officially unveiled with a completely refreshed design, upgraded tech, and electrified powertrains, the new HS is here to redefine what we expect from a modern midsize SUV. Right from the first glance, the 2025 MG HS grabs attention with its sharper, sportier, and more dynamic appearance. The front end has been completely redesigned, featuring a larger diamond pattern grille that blends seamlessly into the slimmer LED matrix headlights. The daytime running lights have a new signature pattern, giving the SUV a more premium and aggressive stance. The sculpted hood lines, sleeker side profile, and a slightly coupe-inspired roofline make the HS look far more sophisticated and aerodynamic than ever before. Moving to the rear, MG has added new connected LED taillights with a continuous light bar stretching across the tailgate, giving it a futuristic feel. The bumper has been redesigned with sportier elements, and the new alloy wheel options, ranging from 18 to 20 inches, enhance its confident road presence. Simply put, this is not just a facelift, it's a complete transformation that signals MG's ambition to compete with top-tier SUVs in its class. Inside, the 2025 MG HS has taken a huge leap in luxury and digital experience. The cabin now features a fully digital 12.3-inch driver's display paired with a massive 14.0-inch central infotainment screen. The system runs on MG's latest AI-powered software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time navigation, and smart voice control. Premium materials are used throughout. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and redesigned seats with diamond stitching give it a truly upscale vibe. MG has also focused heavily on comfort and convenience. The new HS offers multi-zone climate control, wireless phone charging, a panoramic sunroof, and an advanced sound system that delivers immersive audio quality. Space remains one of the model's strong points, with ample legroom and cargo capacity for families or long journeys. Under the hood, the 2025 MG HS comes with multiple powertrain options, including a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing around 180 horsepower, as well as an improved plug-in hybrid variant that combines performance with efficiency. The hybrid system now offers an increased electric-only range and smoother transition between power modes. MG is also rumored to be working on a fully electric version, which could arrive later under the MG HS EV nameplate. When it comes to safety, MG has equipped the HS with its latest MG Pilot system. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera setup. These features make driving not just safer but also more relaxing, especially on long trips or in busy traffic. Overall, the new 2025 MG HS represents a bold evolution for the brand. It's smarter, cleaner, and more stylish than ever before, a true reflection of MG's growing confidence in the global SUV market. With a perfect mix of modern design, advanced tech, and efficient performance, the HS is set to challenge big names like the Hyundai Tucson, Kia Sportage, and Toyota RAV4. So, what do you think of the all-new 2025 MG HS? Does it have what it takes to become the next big hit in the SUV world? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoCar for more exclusive automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.